What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. You guys seen yesterday we had to get a bunch of little stuff done between the bikes and the cars, man. But today it is all about our 2014 Road King here, man. You guys already seen we dropped our paint set off. We took everything apart. So now it's time to pick everything back up and put that thing back together, man. You guys already seen the wheels in the last video. However, you guys didn't, because I took them back to the paint shop to get something added just so it could pop that much more. So I can't wait to see how that thing's gonna look, man. So in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2021 Road Glide Special or my 2014 Road King, both with the fade on. Ooh, did I say it? Yes, both with a fresh paint job on them things with the wheels, man. You can't find nothing like it nowhere, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We're just about sold out on this thing, man. So somebody is about to win a 2021 and somebody is about to win a 2014. Man, go ahead and enter today, man. You buy one hat, you can win either one. You buy two hats, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over there right now and go grab your entry. Meanwhile, man, let's head to the city and pick up this stuff from Antonio. Oh, man, so we just pulled up to Tony O's, man. This looks good. Oh my God. That looks really good, Antonio. That's player. And these are our covers for our Road Glide. So that thing looks dope. Oh my goodness. Good job, man. Really good job. Alrighty, man. Finally made it back to the house. Got all our paint products here. That's dope. That's for the Road King. And then we do have our door covers for this, man. So today, between today and tomorrow, man, we're going to be getting like literally both of these bikes complete, man. So I can't wait. Meanwhile, let's get these parts unwrapped and check out this paint job, man, because I know y'all dying to see just like me. Next morning here, guys, I was supposed to take all this stuff off, man. I freaking laid down and it was all she wrote, man. So next morning, we're going to get it cracking right now, dog. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, you guys know when we bring that blue cover out, it's time to get cracking. Here we are, our 14 Road King paint set. It's like a I was going for like a Spanish gold, but it's more so gold than the Spanish side of it, but does look good. Again, with the two-tone, y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see the two-tone on that, man. I was loving it so much. We had to do it on the Road King, man. So y'all see it here first. It's time to get this thing together, dog. So first things first, man, we're gonna start like we always do, from the back to the front. So first things first, man, we gotta get that fender situated. After that, we headed on to the bag, side covered gas tank, sliders, and we should be freaking good. Headlight, bezel, all that stuff. We should be all right today. So let's see what we can accomplish. Alrighty, guys, we have our rear fender on there. Not the hardest part, but with these type of lights, man, it's always tedious. There's so many freaking wires and stuff, but looks like we got it going. Hoping I connected everything in the light correct. Otherwise, we'll be taking that back light off again, but no big deal. We'll get the rest situated. We'll get like this little saddlebag rack or whatever put on and get this back. Alrighty guys, we got our rear fender totally on there. Well, I gotta tighten those up, but literally back end is just about complete. We gotta get our bags together, throw our side covers on there, and then we'll see how this thing is looking. Man, y'all see we got this rear fender on there, man. Pops done pulled up on his birthday weekend like, all right, man, let me help with the bike. So
hey, what's up, folks?
we gonna see if this bag come out right, man. If it fall on the highway, man, it is his fault. Nah, man, I got faith, man. We gotta see what's good. Alrighty guys, here we are. We got our bags on there. We got our rear fender, side covers, gas tank on there. Does look really good. However, Antonio kind of did his own thing here. It was supposed to be gray at the top and like yellow at the bottom, but it actually doesn't look too bad. It looked like it flows kind of like that type, but no big deal. We'll see how it's looking. Now that we got all this stuff on there, we can pretty much put our fork sliders on there, because you guys seen we got those things color matched, so it's gonna look real good in a second. So we got to pull our forks back off, pop these bad boys on there, and then it'll look that much more complete, man. So after we get that, we'll finish this front end, man. So let's get cracking. All right, man, we done threw this seat on here, got it looking a little bit more complete. It's actually looking real good now, man. So I got enough juice. We can freaking take these forks back off real quick. Got to take the wheel off, forks off, put the cups on there, and then redo that. But shouldn't be too long, man. We're gonna get to it. Alrighty, man, we got them colored sliders on there, so it's gonna look real cool in a minute. Can't wait. Gonna get that front wheel on there in the meantime and see how that joint looking, man. It's actually looking really, really good. I'm digging it, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. Just like that, guys, we got our forks on there with our colored sliders. Things are looking really good now. If we had that rail on here, it'll look crazy, but tomorrow Antonio is gonna have that thing done for us, man. So you guys see, it didn't take too long, man. It was actually pretty smooth and pretty quick. We'll pull it out in the sun here in just a sec, but we do have our front end over here that we're about to toss together real quick. Shouldn't be too hard at all, so we'll just finish that and I'll check it out with y'all in a second. Just like that, guys, we got this thing together, complete. Looks really good. We just got to throw them rims on there, man. I can't wait for Antonio to finish up. This thing looks good. We ain't even in the sun yet. I think that's what I want to do. Pull this thing out in the sun, get it going. Got our color match oil cooler down there. Oil cooler cover, rather. But that chrome and that gold is looking real good, man. Y'all let your boy know what y'all think. Comments below. I gotta pull this thing out in the sun and see what it's looking like, man. I can't even go no longer. Okay, I can dig that. I can dig that, man. We need these wheels to really see what it's gonna be like. Oh my God. That thing look crazy. Yeah, I like that. Look real good. I ain't gonna even hold you. Looks real good, y'all. What y'all thinking? That chrome and all that good stuff looks so freaking nice. Oh my goodness. I ain't gonna even hold you. What y'all thinking, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. I can't wait to get our wheels back and freaking get that wraparound on there. Get it together. But all in all, fire's on up, man. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See what's going on. Okay. See what's going on, man. Got it real lovely back there. Real lovely, man. Barely got a little bit of gas in here, man, but gonna get it going. Pop's like, man, let me rock. Let me see what it do, man. It look good. Think it look good. Is it pretty smooth or what? Oh yeah. That's dope, man. This thing look good in the sun. I ain't gonna even hold you. I cannot wait to get them wheels on there. Hey, girl. How you doing? Yes, sir. Y'all see it here first, man. Thing looking good, sounding good, riding good, man. I can't wait to get these wheels on here, man. It's time to go eat some breakfast, though. We've been up all morning working. Yes, sir. Back in the lineup. That fade looks so good. You guys tell me, which fade do you guys like the best, man? You guys like the Road Glide fade better than the Road King, or the Road King fade better than the Road Glide fade, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Both of these things are gonna look good. You guys already see how that one looks with the wheels and everything, man. You guys know my style, so don't ever underestimate your boy, man. I'm gonna try to get this thing top notch as I can. I can't wait. But in the meantime, it is looking good, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. So alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. I appreciate you guys, man. We got that Road King all situated. Got literally all the parts cleared up off the cover, man. So that's a plus. We literally only got the fog lights and the turn signals up here to install, but no big deal, man. Y'all know my style. I don't even like those lights, man. So knowing me, I'll probably just leave it like this. And if y'all want it, y'all can put it on your own time. But it's there, man. We did take our rims to Antonio to get some other stuff painted on there, man, just to bring this out a bit more. Like, it is a bunch of chrome on here, and I want it to look like, you know, exactly how I envisioned, at least, man, or at least close to it, man. So waiting to get our rims back, so I can't wait for that. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for either one of my bikes, my 2021 Road Glide Special or my 2014 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are almost sold out, guys. So if you guys want a chance at winning either one of these Harleys for the cost of $100, guys, you guys can have a whole Harley for the cost of one of my Everything's Regular hats, man. So head over there right now to everythingsregular.com, copy your hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, about to see what's up with these wheels, man. I can't wait. So I'm gonna have to catch y'all on the next one, dog. Peace.